Here is how to contact Uber support fast. If you have any questions about your Uber account as a driver or a passenger, this is the video for you. So please thumbs up the video, make sure you're subscribed, and let's get started. Firstly, if you are a gig worker, as our audience watcher, you can sign up for an app called Solo, and they're gonna send you $10 simply for signing up and linking your gig account totally for free anywhere in the country. Solo is the business app for gig workers. They help you manage all of your income, track your mileage automatically, and even pay you guaranteed pay. When you go out and drive, you can sign up for these little shifts, and they're gonna guarantee that you make that certain dollar amount. And again, you can sign up for free anywhere in the country and get your 10 bucks. So if your account has been deactivated, you can go here, help.uber.com, and driving/delivering. If your account was deactivated, you can submit an appeal right here. Now, if you have any other questions, you can just call in on your phone. You wanna skip the whole, automated service, whatever, just dial this number, 1-800-593-7069. Or if you wanna go to Uber, help.uber.com, you can click on riders, driving, delivering, Uber Eats, merchants, blah, blah, blah. I'm assuming you're either a driver or a rider, so just click here and go if you need help with a trip, account and app issues, whatever you might need, and you can it'll prompt you to sign into your account and it'll create you a ticket right there. So hopefully this helped. I wanted to make this quick vid, but again, sign up for Solo with the link below and get your 10 bucks. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye now.